Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. My name is Nilesh Dutatra and this video is talk about how to create the complete website in the React.js. So for that we will use the tools of Bootstrap and the component of the Bootstrap, that is a card, then menu bar, etc. So for that, at first I will open this package.json file and I am opening new terminal, and inside this terminal I want to install React Router DOM, right? So npm, then install. If you want to write a fully word install, then you can, and if you want to just put I, then you can put just I, and React and router DOM. It's just wait for a few seconds, and over here one dependency is there, that is a React router DOM. So after this installation of this package, so just wait for a few seconds, it will install the React router DOM. So yes, it's there. So this dependency is there, so React router DOM. And second thing, I have to add one more npm. So we have to write over here npm, then I bootstrap. To install the bootstrap, I have to write this command in the terminal. So just wait for a few seconds. So bootstrap is also added over here in the dependency portion. So whatever the current latest version, it's also there. So just wait for a few minutes. So bootstrap, the current version, that is a 4.5.3 in the current day. So after that I have to change in yes, I have to change in this file app.jsx. So I have to change the extension of this file at first. So I'm replace the extension of this file to JSX. So and after that I have to change in index.js file. So I'm removing this import service worker, it's not required right now, and I'm removing this code. After that I'm changing over here some. Okay, I want to use browser router. So browser router and ending at over here. So yes, I had changed the extension of app, so I have to write the JSX file. So let me check the output. Yes, it's there. Fine. So after that I have to add some pages, right? So whatever we creating the page, so let me add one pages. Right click on the source and add the home.jsx. Then second page, that is a service.jsx. Let me add more pages. That is a product.jsx. And let me add one last one, contact.jsx. So okay, for the navigation I have to add navbar.jsx. So that's it, and I have to add some content in this page. So I am opening this app and copy this portion and put inside the home. Now if you want to replace the the name of app, right? So at first I'm copy this and I'm writing over here and home, for example, app page, right? And copy this and control D. So how many times you have an app, it's automatically selected, and the cursor is ready for the changes instead of the app, right? So I'm putting over home because this one is a home.jsx page, right? So and I'm copy this portion and put over here. I'm removing this code, it's not required in the service page. Control D, and services Okay, I'm saving this both file, and so this page, and I'm putting over here control D and products page, and copy this page, put into uh, contact. Yes, one more page, that is a navbar, so I'm also putting over here navbar. So right, so yes, so that's it. Now I'm changing inside the index.js file. Yes, this in this file. So I want to put the navigation bar in the application, right? So for that, at first I want to put more than one text, right? So as we know that this React application does not support if whenever we are returning more than one tag, so we have to put one blank tag over here. So inside this tag, I will write over here nav bar. So after navbar, it's slash, and so this will automatically import my navbar page. So this page has been imported inside this, so it will automatically import the file. So second thing, I want to write over here switch, because when I am click on the when I execute the URL, right, for example localhost and 3000 then slash services, at that time this services page has been opened. So at that time, in this app.jsx file, services.jsx components should be import in my app.jsx file. So for that I have to write over here root, then exact, then path. Inside the path I'm writing for the home, right, it's a blank. So for that localhost, then 3:30:0, then slash, at that time which page has been loaded. So at that time my component is, it should be home, right? So automatically home import over here. So you not need to go and import this file, it's not required. And yes, I have to ending of this tag, root tag. So I'm copy this and put now replacing home with services. So at that time I have to write services, right? And after that I have to put products, and the link should be products and contact, and the component name is contact. Yes, and yes, whenever some users are trying to access some unknown URL, right? So for example localhost, then slash, then after that if I'm writing abc, then abc is not a URL inside the root, right? So at that time what should I do? I have to redirect this to, so redirect this URL, ABC URL to, you have to add home page. So I'm writing over slash, right? So that's it. Now let me check the execution of this program. So whenever I am refreshing this page, you can see that this one is a navbar. So navbar has been loaded up from this tag, and this one is a slash, right? So simple slash over here. So this one is a home page. So this code has been executed. So if I am writing services, right, let me write over here the services. So at that time service page has been load. Let me write the products. So product, yes, some error is there, let me check. Okay, products, in this page, React and products, Yes, for that I have to write over here the dot JSX. So JXSX I required to put in each and every pages. So now save, and let me check the page. Services, yes, it's there. And products, yes, it's there, right? So you can also see the contact page. Yes, it's there. Now, what I want that whenever I have to import the at first Bootstrap over here, right? So for that, I have to import this Bootstrap inside the index page. So I'm writing over here import, then dot slash node module, then slash, and I have to write Bootstrap, and slash dist, then slash css, and slash. So last file name, that is a bootstrap.min.css. So okay, so whenever I'm opening the page at this bootstrap file has been applicable for the all these pages, right? All the JSX pages, because over here I would write app, right? And inside the app, all the components are added. So by automatically, it will automatically apply, bootstrap will automatically apply to this all the pages, right? So yes, now I have to change in navbar, right? So in this navbar I want to put over here the some good looking menu bar. So I am going for the bootstrap bootstrap. So I'm copy this code from the bootstrap. So let me at first get started, and yes, there are lots of components are there. So inside this I want to use navbar. So in the navbar I am copy the first link. So I want to my navbar should be look like this, right? So I'm yes, so I'm put this inside the navbar. Okay, some error is there. So expected corresponding JSX closing tag for input. So let me check the input tag. So there is a no ending tag. So I have to put forward slash over here. So you can see the output. There is no error right now. So I'm at pressing Alt Shift and F to rearrange this code and save. Let me check the output. Yes, this one is a menu bar, navigation bar, right? So now I don't require this search and this disable drop down. I just require this link. So I want to open all the pages which I had created over here. So contact, then home. So I'm removing this all form, and I'm just put link only over here. I'm removing this all fields, all the menus, and copy this. Yes, one more thing I have to over here, uh, anchor tag, I have to put nav link over here. So for that I'm putting over here nav link. So inside this one is the ending of nav link. This one is a second anchor tag I'm putting over here. And yes, I have to put over here two field instead of href. So nav link is supported this two instead of href. So href is a property of uh, anchor tag. And yes, this nav link is from the React router DOM, right? So after that I'm copy this and put all the different page over here. So that is a first one, that is a home page. So home having this two inside the two, just only forward slash, and the second one is a services, and third one is a product, and last one, that is a contact. So inside that I have to put this copy this services and put inside the nav bar service, right? You must be put same name whatever you keep in the app.jsx file. Copy this and put it over here, right? So that's it. Let me check the output of, yes, so services, product, and yes. So yes, I have not replaced this class, right? So instead of class I have to put class name. So I'm control D, I'm selecting all this class and replace with the name. So class, then name, control D. So class name, let me check the output. Yes, now it's looking great, right? Now what I want to put a space left hand side and right hand side. So for that I have to write some code, some div tag over here. So div, so I forgot at first the blank tag over here, so I'm ending this blank tag, ending, and now I'm writing div tag, div, then class name, that I will put the container. So equal to container, then fluid, then nav, then bg, the underscore bg. Now I want to put one more tag, that is a row, class name, then is equal to row, and after that I want to put div, then class name is equal to, then call of 10 and max mx auto. Okay, I want to copy this ending tag at the end of this navigation, and I'm pressing auto arrange this code by pressing alt shift F and save. Let me check the output. Yes, it's putting space, some space, and left hand side and right hand side. So for I have to apply for the all the pages, right? So I'm copy this code, this 3 line, in all the pages, in the services, product, and contact. And same way I have to ending this 3 tag in all the pages, save, and ending tag, save, ending tag, and save. Yes. So now I'm pressing Ctrl Shift F. Yes, I have to remove this tag. Now that's it. Now yes, some error is there in product. Let me check this. I have to remove this, right? And same over here, I am removing this. Okay, now let me check the output. Yes, it's putting some space on left hand side and right hand side. Now what I want to put jumbotron over here from the uh, bootstrap. So I'm click on the jumbotron component over here. So actually what I want to learn you that how to put the bootstrap component to our page. So in the jumbotron I am copy this code and put inside the my home page. So I'm rearrange this code. Yes, I'm Actually I need a ending of this HR tag, and Control Shift Alt Shift F and rearrange this code. Now let me check the output. Yes, it's Jumbotron is applied in the home page. Now what I want to put over here the image file. So for the image file I have to add two more tags over here in the home.jsx file. So I have to first add div to put this in the Jumbotron, right? So div and class name. I have to forgot to replace this class name, so I have to put class name over here, class name, and class name is equal to, then I have to put call, then md12, copy this and paste. I have to put the row ending of this tag. Inside the row I have to put one more tag, that is md and 8 ending of this tag, and put this three line end of this, right, and rearrange this code. After that I am putting the image over here. So I'm writing image img, then source. Inside the source I am putting the component that I have a logo, right? If you don't have this line, then you can write over here, because logo is there, right? Logo.svg file. So logo, and after that I'm add class name is equal to, so f dash logo, and I have to put alternative tags, that is for example logo ending of this tag, and I have to put change over here 4, right? 8 plus 4, that is a 12, right? So it's according to the Bootstrap. Now you can see this image over here, so it's looking great. You can arrange these pages according to the code. Now what I want to change the service page and add some cards over here. So for that you have to click over here and press on the card. This one is a card, right? So you can open this page, and I want to put this card, so I'm copy this file, copy this content and put inside the service page. So Alt Shift F, and I'm replacing this class with the class name. So Control D, right, and name. So yes, one more thing, the style tag I have to write in the form of the React support, right? So I'm removing this code, and I have to write double curly bracket, and whatever the value of the property I have to write in the double inverted code. And if you have a second property in the style tag, you have to separate it by the semicolon. You cannot use a semicolon over here. You have to put comma over here, right? So you can write another property by separated comma. So that's it. And what is the problem over here? So I think some tag has not been ended. Yes, image. Yes, I want to put image over here, that is it. I'm fetching from the logo component. Okay, now good. Now I'm opening the page. Press on the server, you can see this one is a card, right, that I have added from the Bootstrap component. So I want to add some colorful card, so I'm going to the last of this page. So yes, this one is a colorful card. I want to add this inside the my page, so I'm copy this two div tag and put inside my uh, this so paste. So before that I want to put over here two line that I'm copy from the this three line, copy, from the home page and put inside the server. So I'm put over here 4, right? And ending of this tag, div tag. So after that I'm putting 4 and ending of this tag again 4 and ending of this tag. So I have to also ending 2 times. Let me rearrange this code. Enter, enter, enter. Again rearrange. Yes, it's good. Now I have to replace this class with the class name, right? So class name and copy this name and replacing with the all this space. If you want to directly use Control D, then you can also use Control D. Okay. Yes, one more thing, I have to replace this style tag with the in the format in the React format. So now let me check the page. Yes, it's looking good, right? So this one is a services page. You can also add more cards and you can also add more components from the Bootstrap. You can also add model, list group and form, whatever you want, whatever the requirement of the client, you can add these things. So this one is just example of the complete website. You can arrange all the tags, all the component according to your requirement. Thank you very much, guys, and bye.